Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can apply a drop shadow effect to your texts and items in your Canva designs. It is very simple, guys, and you absolutely don't need any advanced graphic designing skills whatsoever. So let us get started. Head over to your Canva account and start with a design. Let me go, for example, with a simple template like this one here. So I would like to apply a similar shadow effect like we see in that example text here. It is actually very simple, guys. What you want to do is start with a text. So select the text tool here on the left hand side and click on this button here to add a generic standard text. So enter your text or type your text in here in that box. So let me type in shadow just for the sake of this tutorial. Let me also move it here and make some space for our example text. So let me resize this one here and move our example text here to the top left corner and resize it again. So what you want to do first in the first step, guys, is change your text color or font color. To do that, highlight your text, double clicking on it, and select text color here at the top and switch to any color you like. Let me go, for example, with standard white, and there you go. Now the color of that text is white. So what you want to do in the next step is, again, double click on that text to highlight it, and head over to the effects section here in the top right. And here on the left hand side, guys, under style, you will see a variety of applicable effects and filters, like, for example, echo, neon, outline, and so on and so forth. For this tutorial, we're going to apply a shadow effect. So go with that one here, and that is going to add and apply the basic shadow effect. Now we can, of course, customize it by using that customization tool here on the left hand side, by moving these sliders to the left or to the right. For the offset, for example, for the direction, for instance, if I move that slider here slightly to the left or to the right, you will see that the angle is changing. So you may change or select your preferred direction. Let me leave it at that. And what you want to do also, guys, is go through the transparency, adjust it, for example, if you'd like to increase the transparency or decrease it, and also apply a nice contrasting color for your shadow. So I will go with something darker. Let me go, for example, with dark green or something like that. You may click on that button here to add a completely new color and find or pick a custom color. So let me go with a really dark green to make it really contrastful to that background here. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, the shadow effect has been successfully added. And that's how you do it in practice. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.